Alright, I just decided to start recording because I was just irritated. So, I mean, you can see what happened, but I'll explain it. So, this is Thursday, February 20th. Usually start my days at 7 o'clock, looking at the charts. Not gonna lie, I was afraid, okay? Like, I won on Friday, I won on Tuesday. Today is my next trading day, Thursday, and I came in afraid to take another trade because it's like, oh my gosh, I won 2 in a row. I was just so afraid and to end the winning streak, right? But anyway, I showed up to the markets. um this is gold. I was looking at gold and I was just like, okay, I see this kind of reversal pattern. I see price breaking highs. This is an inverted chart. I like have my stuff inverted because I see buys easier than sells. So even if I'm going for a sell, I'll switch it and flip it to make it a buy. So this is gold. So I see this supply zone right here with a gap, so I know it's high probability. I do see all of this stuff from before, but I do see this breaking highs. You know what I mean? So anyway, so price. So I literally see this, but I have to take a shower because I have not been taking care of myself, I'll be honest. So while this is happening, like I'm aware of this, I'm like, I have to take a shower because I have to go to work, you know, and I need to take care of myself just a little bit. But when I'm in the shower, I'm pretty sure I come back and price has already done this. And I look at the charts and I just feel instant sadness, just being so upset because like I missed a trade. Even though I was already afraid, like I literally, when I came out of the shower, I, got to the conclusion that I was afraid to take trades because I was afraid of losing and ending the winning streak too that I already had. So, I came in to my room with the intention of, just taking a trade if it presents itself, right? And so when I come back and I see this, if I stay just a little bit longer, and yeah, just been kind of like a bummer, and price did this, and so now it hurts a little bit more. Yes, it does. But what can I do, right? Like the price has already moved, price has already gone, people have already made their money, and I wasn't a part of it, which sucks, but at the same time, I have to be okay with that because this is going to be reality of the game. And also I have to be proud of myself because at least what I was thinking of doing wasn't stupid. And the only thing that held me back was because I don't take care of myself on a regular basis. So, I mean, it's okay. Like I can't be hard on myself. My day literally has just started. Like I have 8 hours of work to do, so I can't be like, oh my god, I'm pissed off already and it's not even 8 o'clock. Like, no. I don't know what the charts are going to present itself. Yeah, everybody is looking like booty butt cheeks. But yeah, gold was the one. Maybe we can get a break and retest. I don't know what's gonna go on. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna be here. I have 30 minutes until I'm gonna be headed to work. So I mean, unless gold come back. I mean, unless gold does come back to this area, maybe do a little break and retest type thing, then maybe I have a way to get in. But yeah, I don't know. My bias, this is the thing, I'm still learning about bias, still trying to understand about how to be in the markets, and just trying to learn the trade. I think that's the most confusing part for me, is because like you can see so many different variables, right? Like any day can look like a buy or sell opportunity. So that's the hardest part. But yeah, I didn't want this to be too long, but that was just something that I was dealing with, and I kind of want to just put on the camera and just start talking. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I think I have like 6 subscribers, which is just kind of like weird because, well, it's 6 of you people who are just like, you know what? This person's not that bad. Let me click that button. I'm just, I'm happy. So yeah, thank you for joining the clan. Buy my course. Link in the description. No, but I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I'll probably start it back up again, or maybe do a trade recap if I even take a trade. But if I don't, then this is probably gonna be the video I post for today. Okay, bye. Okay, it's like later in the day, in the PMs. It seems like 4:40. Today's the same day from that first clip. This is kind of just me coming back and talking about like how I felt. It was eating me all day because there was a good, I want to say 3 setups that happened, that took place. I think I'll just kind of go through them, or just there was different scenarios that took place that I could have capitalized on, but because I was at work and I was already like not trying to revenge trade, like not just trying to do this shit just to do it right. But I'll go through hopefully real quick about some trades that I could have took today. So yeah, so we originally started off the day with this initial setup right here, this supply zone that I was in the shower, couldn't take it. And then I think there was another no, and then there was the break and retest thing that happened, and I was looking at, but I was like, you know what, no, let me not take it. But they took off. That had me hurt. And then this one right here, because this one broke like this one broke structure. Whoa, my bad. This one broke structure, but like this one broke this structure point and this structure point. So I was like, this would be the better trade. Again, I didn't take it, but when I saw that, I was like, damn. And then on gold, price came up to the supply area, that's right here, and I guess twice, and I could have took that 2 times too. Breaking a candle right here, could have took that 1-to-1 easy, and then the same thing right there again. But yeah, those were the setups that I seen. It just, today was just really hard for me to kind of deal with because I felt afraid, at first, and then I felt the feelings of, saying that I was done trading for the day, but then just looking at the charts and seeing like opportunities, but just being on the sidelines. It's like the fear of missing out, or I guess, yeah, just like that feeling of missing out is really affected me. I didn't take a single trade today, and I'm proud of myself for that because I said I was done. Because I might insert it, I don't know, but I have like a little clip of me almost getting into a trade. And actually, now that I remember that, bro, I almost got back into gold, or back on gold, on like this break and retest stuff. Like I talked about the break and retest, and I seen it, and I was like, nah, I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna take it. And then I was just like, nah, bro, we said we was done. Let me not. Oh, you son of a. Oh! You kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? Wow. Okay, candle closure. I'm going in. This is my trade, bro. Am I going in? Hold on. Oh. Second time on the exact same thing, bro. But then look at what happened. So, it's just one of those things, because it's like, if what happened didn't happen, right? If it didn't go in my direction, if it stopped me out, I would have been upset. I would probably be way more upset than I am today, or right now. So I just kind of I don't know, just be better, do better. I'm at least proud of myself for saying that I wasn't going to trade and not taking any trades. It's better to not make any money than lose money. I'm saying these things, but it still sucks. But it is what it is. Don't want to keep it. I'm gonna keep this short. But yeah. Hopefully, tomorrow we'll present in something else. Maybe I'll get a live trade in. Who knows? But yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings, and probably I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, all right, bye.